Hello folks, Midwest F-150 here. My truck is now 2,100 miles into the current oil change interval. I'm gonna do the oil change today. Now, my plan is to change out the oil every 2,500 miles, but in Minnesota here, the weather's gonna get toasty these next couple of days, so I figured with the weather still cool, I wanna get ahead of it. The oil filter has about 3,000 miles because I had changed out that filter mid-interval in order to put in a microguard select. So in this video, we're gonna drain the oil. Once that's all done, I'll pour it into a receptacle so you guys can see what it looks like after 2,100 miles. From there, I'll cut open the filter so that we can see what it looks like inside. Now, with this oil change, we're actually gonna be using a Valvoline drain plug. So essentially all I need to do is screw this onto the drain plug fitting that's already on there, and then it'll come right out of this hose with no mess whatsoever. All right, with that being said, let's go ahead and remove the oil filter. We're gonna use the Premium Guard Extended Life, the PG2500EX. Got our 5W30 Valvoline Restore and Protect. So much for the pre-filling. All right, now we just need to put in this guy and then it'll start draining. I'd say we have had adequate timing for all of the oil to flush out, or at least most of it anyways. It's that simple. No lever, no drain plug to worry about. This is the first time that I'll be using the oil funnel kit that I got from Amazon on the F-150. There's a link to it in the video description in case you guys are curious. This is one of those situations where I actually have to use the extension hose. So our valve is closed and we're gonna measure this out. Open the valve here. Because we've already measured out 1 quart, all I have to do is keep the valve open and I just pour directly into the funnel and it'll ensure a clean pour of oil into the engine. Now with the bottle set on there, I can see through the measuring cup, oil still draining from the bottle, so we'll just wait until all the product gets inside the engine and then wrap it up. All right, I'm gonna call it here just because this will last forever if I let it. All right, the oil level looks good, so I'm gonna go ahead and flood the engine, turn it on, and then check for leaks. All right, I've checked for leaks, the oil level looks good, and go ahead and pour it into this black receptacle for you guys. Here's what it looks like, blue paper towel. I think the last time I put this filter on the F-150 was still winter. It's holding itself up pretty well. S22, not sure what that means exactly. It probably means something at the production facility level. Oh, there it is. Wow. There's what that looks like. On the tip of that, see those little things? Yeah. It's like pages in a book. Okay. Yeah, I don't see anything crazy. Thought I was gonna see like, oh, look at that big old deposit. Let's try to focus that a little bit. It's like a booger in the filter here. Yeah, there's a bunch of deposits there. Thank you so much for making it to the end of this video. On this channel, I'm on a mission to reach 500,000 miles on my 2021 F-150. Along the way, you can expect regular updates, in-depth product reviews, live streams, and more. Subscribe now to stay up to date and be part of the journey.